Yes, ladies and gentlemen, there's this guy streams online. In fact, by the time it was ending, the guy had already gained more than 6 million views and more than 300,000 new subscribers. This young man who visited Kenya, personally, I don't believe that it's everything that needs to be criticized. The government is bad, of course, it's bad, and our role is to improve, is to just advise the government on where it needs to improve. Not everything that government. Yeah, of course, the government identified an opportunity and it capitalized on that opportunity. It used the opportunity, took an opportunity to welcome this young man. Just listen.
Jambo, I shall speak. Welcome to Kenya. Karibu Kenya. Kenya is not just another country. Kenya is a pulse, a feeling. Kenya is home. This is magical Kenya, the origin of wonder.
On his arrival to Kenya, he was received by the cabinet secretary for tourism. Yes, the chef. You can just watch here.
Hey.
The government used the opportunity very well. In fact, Mr. Speedy was, in other words, used to advertise the government project, including the affordable housing. Muriona. But on the positive side, this young man, a 20-year-old young man, advertised Kenya to the world. In fact, watalii sasa watakuja kwa wingi. This opportunity, it was for us to shine. We used the opportunity to shine. In fact, it was a good thing. Sometimes I like to understand, why are we criticizing the government? Why are we saying the government is bad? When the government is trying to do something good, of course, if the government is gaining, then Kenyans are gaining. If the government saw an opportunity and it wanted to use that opportunity to advertise, especially to advertise Kenya to the world, it was something good. The government is gaining. We as Kenyans are gaining. Of course, there are those who are like, the government is using this visit by this boy to advertise its project. Was it a bad thing? Was it a good thing? Was it a good thing? Yes, it was good. Of course, the opposition itasikia vibaya, itajam kwa sababu now the government is gaining. The government is gaining by advertising its projects. It was good for the government. Of course, kwa watu opposition wataona like, tumepigwa hapa 10-0. Kuna wenye walikuwa wanasema ya kwamba huyu boy alipelekwa mbele ya affordable housing purposely kwa advertise tools. Yeah, the government saw an opportunity. Hata wewe ukiona opportunity, wezi itumia. The government saw an opportunity and it used that opportunity. Kuna wengine wanasema ya kwamba the government, hata vitu zote ziliorganiziwa na government, kutembea chopa, kuzunguka nayo, kuangalia mandhari ama kuangalia the environment, ilikuwa kazi ya government. Yes, of course, it was good for the government to capitalize on that opportunity because everybody now was online watching this young boy. So the government used that opportunity very well. I don't have any problem with the government if itafanya hivyo kuimprove service delivery, if itafanya hivyo kuimprove maendeleo kwa wananchi, that is a very good thing. Of course, kama tunapinga serikali pia tukuja na sera zenye zinasaidia. Of course, the government used it to advertise nothing. I personally sina ubaya nayo, sina ubaya kabisa. Then this young man alitua Masai Mara kuonyesha vitu vizuri zenye zina attract especially watalii. It was a positive thing and it is a challenge. And kitu kingine ni learn, it is a challenge to Kenyan content creators. But of course, I want to say this, hakuna mtu ana receive favor the same. Some people, they tend to receive favor than others. Favor ya mtu ni ya mtu, favor yako ni yako. Of course, this young man has already reached already amefika, na vitu zingine zinakuja tu automatic because this is a young man. When I was following personally, nilimjua wakati nilisikia ata visit Kenya. I just knew the other day, wiki jaisha, wakati nilikuwa nasikia kesho kutwa anaingia Kenya, I was like, yo, who is this? Nani yeye anaingia Kenya? Then nikamfuatilia. Sasa nilimfuatilia after ashaingia Kenya, nikaona like everything, this young man is trending everywhere. Who is this young man? So nikamfuatilia polepole. Then I came to learn that this is a very young man, 20 years old. Alianza kimchezo tu na pum, ndio hiyo internet ika-explore, and that is how this young man received the favor. So everything anafanya ni favor tu, akona already ashafika kiwango fulani. Not everybody anaweza receive favor the same. So unaona, hata unaona sasa favor yako iko wapi? Favor yako ni kuwatch others. Yeah, but anyway, for me, Nimeona Twitter kuna wenye nimereact hivi because nimepitia online especially Twitter. Nimeona watu wengi wakicriticize hii, watu wana criticize everything. Acheni wivu ama acheni ku criticize anything. Unajua sasa, the more you criticize anything, the more you are seen as useless, the more you look like a fool. It's not everything the government is doing bad. In fact, okay, the reason why you are criticizing the government, or the reason why you want the government to go, is because you have seen the government's not delivering. But the main thing you should do ni kuinua the government, ensure that the government is working. Si kuitoa, is to make sure. In fact, the government imetolewa after tumeona hii hata ikisaidiwa, kuna kitu inafanya. That is how you will be seen as somebody who is reasoning, who is using your brain, who knows where you are heading to, who knows what you are doing. But the moment you are criticizing everything, as long as it, hata kitu mzuri tu utapata tu mtu tu because anachukia tu government, anaona ni government probably inalaniwa na mtu fulani, ana criticizing everything. In fact, the main focus as Kenyans ama watu wenye wanatumia brains is to ensure that the government is doing the right thing by correcting what the government is doing wrong. Si ku criticize eti mbona government imetumia ku advertise. Okay, hiyo advertisement, is it a good thing? Kama ni good thing, why are you feeling bad? Unless you want to take over, unless useme tu unataka government to fail so that probably you take over, and that does not make sense. Does it make sense? Anyway, I want to know your comment. I want to know your views in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you are notified every time we post a new video like this. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bossy TV, and my name is SC.